Welcome to Ruby Art Academy online drawing classes for kids. Today I will draw mandala art. At first, keep your paper vertically. Draw a circle center of this page. 2 centimeters. Slipping lines, standing lines, slanting lines around this circle. 8 lines draw around this circle. Next, draw 2 slanting line around this circle, 2 slanting line. Draw a standing line from this standing line. Same for next previous lines. From draw 2 slanting line. 2 slanting line. Same process apply on the every pattern. Will be same process. Next, from here to there, join with curve line. Curve line, same again and again. Curve line, and take dot. Draw same curve line double. Every curve line will be double. From this corner, draw standing line on 3 centimeter. On this every point, draw slanting line on 2 centimeter. Same. Take dot center of this curve line on the every curve line. From this dot, join with this standing line on both sides. Join with curve line. Looks like leaf. Same pattern will be on the every process will be same. Take dot, many dot. Take a dot center of this circle. Draw a circle around this dot. Use black sketch for outline. Do outline. These portions will be dark. Do outline with black sketch pen. Be carefully. Black sketch is must for outline. Black sketch is must for outline. This is mandala art. Erase the pencil mark after black sketch. Use brush pen for coloring. At first use yellow color, the center portions. Next color will be orange. Next portions sky color. The every patterns will be sky color. Draw sky color. Same color apply on the every pattern. Next, these portions will be dark pink. Another portions will be light pink. Next, one sides will be dark green. The every pattern looks like a leaf. One side will be dark green. Another portions will be light green. Take a spiral pattern. Use black sketch on both sides. Draw slanting line on the every pattern. Every pattern will be same. Thanks for watching.